Welcome back, students. Okay, so we have finished with the unit 1 where we have seen different short stories. Okay, 3 short stories we have completed. Now this is unit 2. We have started with unit 2 where first lecture we have recorded about social media. Okay, and then in last lecture we have seen advantages and disadvantages of social media. And in this particular class, we'll focus on world of advertising. Okay, and this is a second article under unit 2. Okay, we have articles here. Okay, the short story is different and articles are different. So articles here, it is written by a personal like any person, which basically focuses on his interest, okay, his or her interest and his research expertise. Okay, so this particular world of advertising is written by Pranjali Kane. Okay, and Dr. Pranjali S. Kane is an assistant professor at SBCT College, Nagpur. Her areas of interest are Indian writing in English and psychoanalysis. And what is meant by psychoanalysis? Psychoanalysis basically it is related with the human mind, human behavior. Okay, the way we have id, ego, superego, no, that all comes under psychoanalysis. Okay, the theory of psychoanalysis is given by Sigmund Freud. Okay, so that is her interest area. Then she regularly writes poems, short stories and middle popular dailies. Okay, the present article is based on the world of advertising. It focuses upon the various aspects of advertising. Okay, as we can see, these are the different points that she has expressed in her articles. Okay, so when you advertise a particular product, what should be taken into account, that has been described by her. Okay, so when you see or when you analyze it, you will understand that these are very essential factor when you launch a particular product. Okay, so marketing is very essential. Okay, even if your brand is having no value, okay, but the way you convince the people, if you have convincing power, even if that brand has zero value, you know, the people will take you. Okay, so it is the power of communication. Okay, that's why this particular topic has been prescribed in your syllabus. Okay, because it comes under communication. Okay, advertisement is the essential tool that how you can convince the people, how you can influence the people. Okay, and that's why this is very essential. And its role in changing scenario and different media it explores, because nowadays when you are searching for example, when you are searching for any information, no, so on Google there is a launch pad. Okay, so all the information is collected by that Google platform, and then the similar recommendation will be there. So you can see that recommendation, and as per that recommendation you can buy the product. For example, if you happen to see any particular sites, so that information can be recorded on the Google form, and when you want to buy a particular product, then that some similar websites will be shown to you. Okay, so as per your interest area, so that can be added. Okay, so where you can see that, see then these are the different search engines as a launch pads. Okay, so even the internet using your personal data to use for your perception and to find out what kind of person you are. Okay, so you must have seen that the Facebook once a time Facebook has used all the personal information to manipulate the election. Okay, so that was a famous example you can see. So it focuses upon various aspects. Okay, how you can advertise. So there are different platforms. Okay, and nowadays as I see, as we have seen that different platforms are there, these social media platforms are available, where it requires to launch your product, because nowadays this social media is indispensable part of life, and if you are using it, then that is the possibility that you can cover up maximum audience. Okay, so that text also deals with the types and benefits of advertising. Okay, and the 21st century has changed the way humans look at the life in more ways than one. It has become necessary for us to accept change every 2-5 years in terms of the way we understand the service sector, or the way the financial transactions are taking place. Because in those days, no, we were carrying the cash in hand, so physical transaction were there. But nowadays, phone pay are there, Google Pay are there. Okay, so you need not to carry a cash with you. Okay, so nowadays the transaction have become online. So everything, no, the way we were perceiving the world and now we are perceiving the world has completely changed the way. Okay, and this change you will have to accept it. Okay, because change needs to be accepted. Okay, change the change, otherwise change will change you. Okay, if you won't accept these things, no, then you will remain deprived of this all cultural changes. Okay, and if that cultural barriers comes within, you cannot survive in this today's 21st century. Okay, because this is a highly competitive world. Okay, and if you want to survive it, then you need to come with the innovative ideas, and ideas and advertisements are very essential. Okay, one idea will make you different. Okay, if the idea has, that's why, no, there is like advertisement has become a very indispensable part of this business world. Okay, because business world is easily susceptible to this change. They need to change according to the demands of the public. Okay, so if you are aware with the demand. Okay, and how you can aware with this fact, through this collection of these social media. Okay, so you can understand the perception of the different people. Okay, and you can understand the demand. Okay, and according to demand there should be supply. Okay, supply shouldn't be irrelevant of demand. Okay, because if it happens, then there is no even if that, for example, though, even if your content has value, even if your product is 100% loyal, but if it hasn't been launched in the way that should be launched, then that product will not get attention. Okay, and this is very essential. And even if the content is not good, but the marketing is good, no, so you will get a maximum output. So this is something that we should understand here. So they need to change according to the demands of public. Sometimes they dictate the choices of the people, like in fashion industry, or it deal with the potential customers. They need to capture the imagination of the vast majority. Okay, so public views can be collected. Okay, so from then you can understand the perception and the mindset of the people. For example, nowadays if you are talking about something, see, now the 4G world is there. Okay, and if you launch a mobile phone which is 2G, okay, so that cannot be accepted in nowadays. Okay, so you will have to cater the interest of maximum people. Okay, so the sale of product depends upon many things: the brand name, the quality, the utility, the price, the variety that is available, the comparative goodness, and the most important perhaps is the way it is advertised. Okay, so everything comes under this. Okay, for example, how can you create your brand name? By giving a maximum output, and once the brand is created, then it is very easy for you to sell your product. Okay, so brand name is essential. Okay, even if that brand has value or not. Okay, sometimes you can see that particular brand has low quality than the local product. Okay, but even if just because of that brand name, just because of that brand, no, the people are taking it, the people are accepting it. Why? Because it has been advertised in a proper way. Okay, and they have maintained all the procedure. Okay, so the price and all, so availability and all, so these all things should be taken into account. Okay, and that's why the advertisement, no, these are the very essential tool to convince the people. Okay, to sell a product as such. Okay, so if a product is not advertised at all, some people might suspect its authenticity. Okay, so we have general assumption that if that is not advertised, no, we just think that then that product is not authentic as such. Okay, because they are not advertising it. That means they have some lacunas, they have some loopholes. Okay, so that has become a part of your business. Okay, so advertisement should be there. Okay, because what we see that the way you advertise, the maximum attention you will get. Okay, for example, you must have seen the advertisement where one boy is sitting around. Okay, and then something that the building is collapsed. Okay, and the grandmother was asking him help, but he denies to help her, and at that moment that the building is collapsed. Okay, and just because of that, that grandmother is saved. Okay, so then the advertisement is like that, even if you are not doing something, then also you are doing something. Okay, so that shows the innovative ideas. Okay, the way you are presenting, no, if it is innovative, if emotionally you are convincing them, no, then that is sure that you will get a maximum output. Okay, so the customer wants to see the product being sold everywhere. It should be tried and tested by others, and this is possible when it is advertised widely and covers a wide geographical area. Okay, so when you advertise, you should not focus on particular area. Okay, there should be the maximum geographical area you should focus on. Okay, and then the idea should be universal. Okay, it should talk about different cultures as well. A lot of revenue is spent on advertising nowadays. Okay, because nowadays if you see, when you are making a movie. Okay, and then when you spend so much on promotional events. Okay, because promotional events has become very important. Okay, during those days what were happening, the movie have been like even if the movie has been made, no, so there were no promotion as well. Okay, the star cast were busy in their all the things. Okay, so promotional events was not so much significant at that moment, but nowadays promotional events is very essential. For example, even if the movie is not good and if the promotions are done very well, no, then it is sure that the public will go and watch the movie. Okay, so this is the example of movie. It is applicable to your product as well. Okay, the way you present it, the way you advertise it, then there is a possibility that then that product has a particular authenticity, and then there is a possibility that as the maximum of the public has used it, then the authenticity can be proved and the public attention can be captured. Okay, so there are newer ways of advertising nowadays. Various platforms like television, radio, newspaper, magazines, internet are available. So through these platforms you can advertise. The popular search engines where people visit often have become platforms for advertisements. The data of what people have searched on the search engine is stored, and advertisements of similar products are displayed to the target customer. To give one what one is searching for has become a mantra of modern world. Okay, so when you search anything on Google, then that data is collected, that data is being recorded, and then what you are searching on regular basis, the similar product is appearing on that. Okay, so on that basis you can go for. Then the advertising industry focuses upon certain things apart from the normal requirements of the advertisement, like the product tagline, model, space, budget, and there are things that one needs to pay attention to. Okay, so these are the things that when you, for example, when you set a standard, okay, when you want to launch your product and when you want to advertise a particular product, then these things needs to be taken into account. So there is like first is emphasis on visual than words. Okay, so the visuals should say something. Okay, as we have seen that what are the essential aspects of the communication, that the non-verbal communication is also very essential. Okay, then verbal communication is also essential. Okay, so the visual things, because when you see something that has a powerful impact on human beings, okay, So that's why the emphasis should be given on visuals than words. Okay, when you, for example, when you just listen to it, okay, if the lecture method is there, then there is a possibility that it becomes monotonous. Okay, if the advertisement is monotonous, okay, then there is no possibility of getting attention as such. Okay, so this is something very essential, that you should more focus on visuals. Okay, that's why we have recorded a video on OBS platform. Okay, because when I will just deliver a lecture, as it is only one way method, so it becomes monotonous for you as well. Okay, that's why visual aids, teaching aids is also a powerful way. Through that you can convince the people. That's why in generally in webinars, the keynote speaker generally they are using different PPTs to present their views. Okay, and they are also adding some pictures. Okay, so that picture has pictures have very like a profound way to convince the people. Okay, so that's why visuals is very important. Then when you, for example, when you emphasis on visual than words, because why? Because it should be noted that the audio visual impact is greater on people, and advertisement is more impactful when it has fewer words and more visuals for people to interpret and understand in their own way. We perceive things according to our prior experiences. Okay, so our prior experiences should be taken into account, and then it should be linked. Okay, for example, whatever your prior experiences is there, that should be touched upon when you talk about advertisement. Okay, then it should be conciseness should be there, terseness, brevity in weaving a story. Okay, it should not be so long. Okay, because the attention span of public is very low. Okay, that's why we see that the advertisements are very short. Okay, it should be catchy, it should be short. If too much length is there, the people won't look it. Okay, so the shorter the story, the bigger is the impact. Okay, so it should be very short and it should be very meaningful. Okay, the attention span of people in today's world is less, and we should make the impact in the smallest possible way. Okay, so it should be very small. Okay, then exploring newer ideas of expression and content. Okay, so ideas should be new, it should be innovative, because what your competitor is presenting and you are presenting, it should be different. Okay, and it should be unique, it should be innovative, otherwise people will go for your competitor, not to you. Okay, so how you are making yourself indifferent, that should be taken into account. Okay, so exploring newer ideas of expression and content. If an advertisement of a detergent powder focuses on mother child relationship, the other brand needs to be something else. Okay, for example, one advertisement is focusing on mother and child relationship, you cannot go for other brand the same. Okay, the innovative should be there, and the customers should relate the intelligence behind the advertisement with the goodness of a product unknowingly in their minds. Okay, so it should attract the attention as well as their intelligence, rationality. Okay, okay, you cannot you should convince that this product is something different and it is authentic. Okay, because false promises cannot be accepted. Okay, so use of internet search engines as a launch pads. Okay, so you can use internet search engines as a launch pads, because the way they are searching on internet, you can understand the perception of that public. Okay, you can understand that what they are looking for, and what they are looking for is demand, and as per demand you can present it. Okay, so these can be used with the increased use of internet, the contents reach for more audience. Okay, and then earlier the display time and the duration of the advertisement is less than the television advertisement, but the constant presence of the advertisements makes a large impact. Okay, so it should be constantly on the internet search engines launch pads. Okay, so when they are getting it, they can see it, and you will get the customer. Okay, so target customer you can use through internet search engines. Then we have emphasis on survey based research for knowing the customer better. Okay, so survey based research should be there because through that you can understand the customer in a better sense. Okay, so there are companies who indulge in survey based research wherein they come to know the expectation of the customers. They focus on customizing the products. For example, if the hair oils and shampoos usually used to cater the three types of hair, but there are more specific requirements of the user, then the companies have started addressing the needs of the customers. So now the approach of the sellers has changed, and the advertisement of the product gives information regarding it in an explicit way. So okay, for example, emphasis on survey based research for knowing the customer. If you know the customer, okay, for example, a particular hair oil is there, okay, and if you want to sell it, then there should be a survey, okay, what type of hairs are there, okay, accordingly you should prepare it. Okay, so if the three types of hairs are there should be a three different hair oils, okay, and it should be presented in a different way so that the people will get it. Okay, then the breaking stereotypes to attract attention of customers. Okay, the stereotypes is like a general rules of the society. Okay, for example, if you are walking on the road, okay, and if the cat passes by, what is the rule, what is the assumption, what are the stereotypes about it is that if the cat passes by, you shouldn't be going, because when you go there is a possibility that something bad will happen to you. Okay, so when passes by cat is considered to be a bad omen. Okay, that are the stereotypes, but this stereotype should be challenged. Okay, the traditional way should be challenged, and you should present it in an innovative way. Okay, so you must have seen the advertisement where you have the one particular brand is there. Okay, so that brand is called as Dimag Ki Batti Jala De. Okay, so in a traditional way, there was a one student. Okay, so he comes in. Okay, he comes in, and then he says that sir, then obviously the teacher will get angry on him because he is a latecomer. Okay, so he directly scolds him because why he is late. So rather than coming late, no, in next time what he does particularly that is that he directly comes in, okay, without asking a permission, and then he says that sir, may I go out? And then what was the reply of that teacher? Teacher says that sit down. Okay, so this is the another way. Okay, so rather than saying may I come in, he directly comes in, and then he wants to go out. So then directly he is accepted by the teacher. Okay, so this is the way you can break out the stereotypes. Okay, and so that's why the tag was like, when you eat this particular product, then your dimag ki batti will be high. Okay, so this way you can break the stereotypes, because the newer generation is known to be liberal and inclusive, and the advertisements are more bold and innovative, and they cater to the issues pertaining to the discrimination, widening our existing viewpoints and being creative at same time. Okay, so it should be all inclusive and it should be also creative. Okay, so they are didactic in their own way. They are contributing to change the world and make it better place to live in. So they reach out to the people of all strata, nationalities and types now. Okay, so it should be creative, at the same time it should instruct the people, it should delight the people. So both the ways you can present your product. Okay, so breaking stereotypes is essential, and the innovative ideas, one idea will change whole thing. Okay, so that idea should be presented in a exact way. Then culture specific for maximum impact. Okay, because this is something very important, because culture should be denoted in an exact way. You cannot present something irrelevant at other places. For example, see, another aspect nowadays is a region specific and culture specific subject matter. Okay, some of the advertisements are locally relevant, some of them are aired nationally. The internet translates those advertisements in related language so that bond is created with the customers. We relate things more when it comes to us in our mother tongue. Okay, so when you want to, for example, when you want to decode a culture, we have taken example where leaf is laid. Okay, so leaf is laid in south region is considered as that. When you say leaf is laid, then you consider that the food is served and now you can go and eat the food. Okay, but in other culture, leaf is laid has different connotation. For example, when you say a leaf is laid, so somebody will denote, connote is as like the leaf is there. Okay, so what can we do with the leaf? Okay, but that culture, when you understand the culture, you can understand that what is the connotative meaning. Okay, so on which context he is talking about. Okay, for example, if in Marathwada region there is a word that ubhatak. Okay, so ubhatak is generally has different connotation over there. When you say ubhatak, then they assume that the person should be stand in front of the person. Okay, but if you are not understanding that culture and if you are completely unaware of that culture, and if the next person is saying to you ubhata, so you generally will say what ubhata. Okay, so you may think that it is something abusive word. Okay, and you may hit that person. So if you know the culture, then, and that's why it is very essential when you see any idea, no, if it is in mother tongue, it gives you then emotional bond can be created. Okay, so with the usage of mother tongue, and that's why culture specific should be there. It should cater different culture in a different setting, and you should focus different cultures. Okay, and going to the organic way in every product, no one can beat anything natural. So natural is good, so it is not harmful. We all have started believing in using natural products. Such advertisements highlight the natural ingredients used in the product and it appeals us more. So there should be a natural ingredients. That's why going to the organic way in every product is very essential. Okay, so when you advertise a particular product, so you should focus that how this product is natural and how the limited chemicals has been used by a particular organization. Okay, so that should be given a priority. Then attractive packaging, models, colors, shapes, size of the products. This is also very essential. Packaging is also essential. Okay, models, colors, shape, size, it has all like a significant value. Okay, because when you talk about colors, so like it should be a universal color. Okay, if you are making a product and if you chose to be a red color, no, if you are using a red color, no, so there are assumptions, there are stereotypes that red color is considered as bad omen. Okay, so you cannot get that much attention even if the product is good, even if the product has value. If the color is not good, if the model, if packaging is not good, when they think that it is a too bulkier, it is a too short, then also it will affect your business. Okay, so rather than focusing on just quality, the way you are presenting it, the communication aspect is very essential. Okay, so for example, even if you are a good, okay, and if your communication is not good, your impression will go wrong. Okay, the same way, even if the product is good, if you are not presenting it as a good, then if the people will think about its authenticity, and people will if the people are skeptical about it, no, the people will not take it. Okay, so this is very essential. The attractive packaging, color, shapes and sizes are essential for needs of the customers are varied, and some of us might carry those products in our handbags for use during travels, and they should be handy, and that's why the packaging is essential. The whole range of product with all the types available should be displayed in the advertisement, and the models can show how each one is useful, rather essential to us in a different times. And that's why it is not convenient to use carry-on pack at home, since we require more quantity of the product at home. That's why packaging should be taken into account, model should be taken, color, shape, size. Okay, and the last one, features, is app taglines which are not false promises. Okay, so the authentic tagline should be there. For example, building a trust is still most important thing. Okay, the customers would come back to the product if it is trustworthy. Okay, so any electronic gadget, for example, is quite expensive. One does not buy them often, more than the color of make product. So one would depend upon the trustworthiness of the brand, and the after sales in service, the guarantee also goes a long way, and this should be reflected in the advertisement. Okay, for example, the way you advertise, no, it is very essential. For example, the Samsung has created a trust, and that's why the people are buying it, because these are the things that is very expensive. Okay, you are not going every day. If you are creating that trust, if you are creating that brand value, then also you can get maximum audience and maximum customers. You can grab the attention of maximum customer. Okay, so once you have created that trust, for example, we have Nokia, Samsung. Okay, all other China's brand, we do not have trust. We even if the product is good, but we generally think about the authenticity, and that's why we call it as app tagline which are not false promises. Okay, so that app tagline should be there. Okay, Nokia, we have a better connectivity. Okay, for Idea we have one tagline, one idea will make the difference. Okay, एक आइडिया जो बदल दे आपकी दुनिया, ऐसी कुछ होना चाहिए. ठीक है, थैंक यू.